How to effectively track divorce expenses for tax purposes. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. When you're going through a divorce, keeping track of your expenses might not seem like a top priority. But when tax season rolls around, having good records can save you time, stress, and potentially money. Knowing what to track and how to organize it is key to staying prepared and avoiding surprises with the IRS. Start by understanding which divorce-related expenses might be relevant for tax purposes. While most personal legal fees for divorce aren't tax deductible, some costs, like those related to tax planning, securing spousal support, or QDRO preparation, may qualify in certain cases. It's important to keep detailed records, even if you're not sure what will ultimately apply. Your tax professional can help determine what's deductible when the time comes. As you go through the process, keep a dedicated folder or spreadsheet just for divorce expenses. This should include invoices from legal services, document prep fees, court filing costs, notary fees, and any professional services you've used, such as financial planners or CPAs related to your divorce. If you're receiving or paying support, tracking those payments is also crucial for accurate reporting. We worked with a client who had no system in place and ended up scrambling during tax season. She had paid thousands in document fees, court costs, and accounting services, but couldn't locate the receipts or statements. We helped her recreate a record of her expenses and set up a simple tracking method moving forward so she'd never face that stress again. At Divorce 661, we help our clients stay organized, not just through the divorce process, but beyond it. We offer guidance and tools to track important financial details so you're ready for taxes, audits, or any future legal follow-up. If you want help creating a system to track your divorce expenses the right way, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you stay organized, protect your records, and avoid costly mistakes when tax season comes around.